I've got a support buddy. So if anything happens, you're gonna let me cry on her shoulder.
How many are sailing here?
3.
3. To row 6 for the next one.
Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to my channel. So today I am again with and Mark. We're on our way to Magic Kingdom. It's a rainy day in the park. There's no one sitting next to me. Look at this. A tram to ourselves. And we saw a bunch of people leaving. I think this could be a good day in the park. And look at how blue the skies are over that way. So I don't think we're gonna see very much for storms, hopefully not, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, join us.
It's cute though, I never see it.
We're just admiring the cute, I know I was already over here, but again with the cute foliage. And then she pointed out how Mickey has a mask on. I did not notice that.
It's super cute. Oh, I love Halloween.
So do I.
It's the best.
With Roy. Oh,
So cute.
and with Minnie.
I love Minnie.
If it wasn't for this man, we would not have this park.
We're gonna go to the
Oh, okay, we're in the Emporium. I come in here often, but they're always changing their merch. So, oh, they're Ursula ears. So here are some Ursula ears. Oh my god, that is too cute. I don't know how much they are.
Probably 35.
Probably.
I think they're always 35.
More than likely.
These are they just so cute?
Oh yeah, I've seen those, the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, those are really cute. Wait, I want to put them on.
I never ever get ears, but
I really
Nice.
like them. They're cute.
they're cute.
gonna
I like
give-
the gold.
They're gonna give you like a headache. But it's worth it.
That's what I'm worried about. Headache time.
I wear them for like a little bit and then I take them off. For all my pictures, I'll put them on.
Oh, it's so cute. So much new merch in this store. I really want one of those tote bags.
One of those.
Oh, they have them here. Yeah, I do. Really bad. I didn't come into this section of the Emporium. This section of the Emporium has Halloween merch. All the Halloween merch. Like we saw at Epcot. Oh, that's cute. Little onesie. There's the headband that you had on, which is really cute.
It is. They're fuzzy, like a little weird. So what are these 35 or did they put
so
it back?
soft.
There's no price on it.
The other ones didn't have a price either.
Oh, the Mickey.
Okay, so not see this when we were in Epcot.
Look.
This is really cute. Stop. Because it glows in the dark. You can tell. It's got the glow tint to it. You know what I mean? That is
look,
so
and on the
cute.
back it says blue.
That glows in the dark too.
Oh, it does? So
Yeah.
it does go in the dark. It says it does.
You can tell by the material how it's like tinted green.
Yeah, I just hate that it's $30. Is it thinner? Oh.
I mean, I prefer it, but like...
It is thinner.
Do these get softer when you wash them? Because these are so rough. Like all the Spirit jerseys seem to be rough material like this.
They're really solid.
Yeah, the other ones.
Because I know that they're 100% cotton, so they should soften up, right?
Because my orange bird one, I had washed it before.
So look at all the little duckies. Oh, and one egret. Or curlew, I mean.
What are they?
They're called curlews.
Oh.
They're like my favorite bird.
I always call them the ugly birds.
They got such long beaks and yeah, they're pretty cool. I told you that.
The duck is like, get away from me. Both of them, they're both racist.
Where he's stalking him. He's like, I'm coming for you now. That's hilarious. Oh, what lizard there? An old. Heading into Adventureland, which I love the transitions. They're always my favorite.
Mark was always so sad that they killed the tiki room. Like it isn't the same anymore.
Well, what do you mean? Because there's no Zazu? That's not the original tiki room.
What?
What's this?
Like a little picture?
Oh, yeah.
Mark is so sad. Every time he looks at videos with like 20,000 like leagues under the sea.
Oh, that's. I wish that was still here.
He's like,
All right, we hopped on Pirates Caribbean. It's a 15-minute wait, although everyone is doing what we're doing. So, we'll see. And I love the smell. We'll enjoy the smell. Bring it on, give it to me. Oh, yes.
recording.
So did I.
Row 6, and how many are there?
3.
To row 5.
Oh, I love it.
Is how many are sailing here?
3.
3. To row 6 for the next boat, there?
Thank you. Arr. Arr.
Change his mind. You said for fun.
That's okay.
What else is the CP wet for?
Oh.
He really does some with the
waved.
recording.
He did too. So that wasn't even.
The guy's face. He's like so. He's not even waving. He's just like.
They never do. They always sit up there like, I'm bored.
Oh. Mug is throwing it off balance. Is the mermaid on? I'm thinking about the phone flying. Oh my god. Where did you see that video? We'll show you the video of the phone flying away. Oh, look, a little bird.
Yeah. You're like my cat. Shut up.
I wasn't looking.
I was. Here it comes. That was so wet.
I know. That's the shit Mark always does.
There's somebody behind me, so I have to keep my camera down. Love this.
Dude, why did they actually have it like so high?
I don't know, but I got soaked.
Yeah, Mark got soaked on our backside.
Hey, my whole right arm is soaked. My purse is soaked. Oh, it's
Oh my
funny.
god. Just Oh, he put hands on it. That's why it smells so good. He added to it.
Oh, was it apple scented?
I guess.
No, I think it was apples because of the farm
Oh, you scurvy skunk.
or the
Do I
market.
hear 10? A hen for a 10.
10. I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Right down.
Key as well. Striker feathers to see the rope. Tops Laura's feet. When the ears down, tell only me what's got the goods. Keep still. I'm studying the map.
I'm studying new
Oh,
map.
it's the treasure map for sure, and no mistake. And by thunder.
It's funny. It used to
That's
be.
me at Mark, just like chasing him with the
It used to be a guy chasing a girl,
Yeah.
but like in the top one over there, I think. That's how I remember it.
Well, yeah, no, they changed it where they're all like abusing women and shit. 'Cause remember, it used to be a women's auction back there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're a kitty kitty.
I love the little donkeys.
I always film the donkey.
My mom got thrown off of a donkey once when she was little. Yeah. My mom, because they used to live in the ranch, they had a donkey who was a ranch and it was play them all.
I have that pin. The little pirate. Or the
Toads! It's
I know. Dirty up.
Put his way. As a kid, I never realized they were dying.
Well, that's a good thing then.
I never realized that's what was happening here.
Pretty much.
I just wanted to leave.
Yeah. And the worst kind of way.
Feathery friend, you a divine singing.
That was amazing.
Do got yourself a drink.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
They're making good progress on it. Oh, that's what I heard. It's a steamboat. I thought it was the choo-choo. Okay, I'll catch up. I'm a coming. Alright, we're getting on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
No kidding.
There's so many rules on. No drinking, fine, no whistling, no kidding.
Proceed with caution. Big Thunder comes.
So, this is like well, it's my second time on this ride. First time when I was 12. The first time I came to Magic Kingdom. And never again since. I don't know why. I don't have an issue with it.
I like this ride.
Maybe because the wait time is always so long, I just say forget about it. But right now it says 15, so. And I've got a support buddy. So if anything happens, she's gonna let me cry on her shoulder. Look at the nuggets. Look at all the gold. Gold.
A speedy funeral is only $10. With mourners, it's $35.
No. Was that the going rate for minors?
Yeah, I guess. I like how they play these type of songs.
Oh, I know.
These are like the good country songs.
Well, it makes me feel like we're in the South.
These are good country songs, though. I'm surprised they don't play Johnny Cash at Cracker Barrel.
What's that?
Johnny. Only that one has something.
Did you see him mining down there in the shaft?
Ew, the muggy water. That is, she's pouring.
Oh, wow. Oh, you're sending him air. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it blows. Oh my god. It smells like wood. Oh. I didn't know there were stinky scent tubes in here.
I didn't either.
Oh. I mean, really, I've only been on Barnstormer in the last year, so.
At night it feels worse, but they always make it worse at night.
Okay. I'm nervous. If my hat flies, catch it.
Well, you're pony.
I don't know how people come off this ride frowning. I don't understand. Oh, that put me in such a happy mood. That was good. That was a good one.
CEO in the Barbie movie as well.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. He's
There's
the
a-
CEO of Mattel in the Barbie movie.
Taking a quick look here, as you can see, they've put like hay. There's no more trees there. There used to be trees and lanterns right here, so that's different. But we're gonna make our way over to the Haunted Mansion as long as luck is on our side. I say, well, we can get there through this way. Oh gosh, a little shortcut. Hello. We're gonna get on Haunted Mansion. It says 20 minutes. I try to keep my voice down in the park because if you announce where you're going, people follow you. Yes. They follow me, I should say. It's like I'm the tour guide. Okay, so rainy day in the park. Hurricane. We're getting on to Haunted Mansion. So here we go, Haunted Mansion. We're always losing Mark.
No, they cut in front of
Yeah, I saw that. I was joking. Oh, their animatronics are amazing here. I said. There's the greedy family.
You can tell they're greedy.
They are greedy.
Mark! Your Grandpa Mark, that's you!
See, when I played a long time the other day.
Oh my god.
Oh, denied. Oh, she's playing back with us.
Oh, she's fighting back.
Yeah, some of them. She's like, no, that's not the right one.
What is this one?
It never works. Hello? No, she never talks back to us. She used to.
Yes, that one I know. Her eyes go blink, blink.
Her whole head moves. Right there. See, she's about to open her eyes. See? Yeah. I think the head tilt is creepier than the eye opening.
Oh yeah, I forget you guys do that.
Pay attention to me. He doesn't pay attention to her. Everything's just mixed. He smokes, you don't.
And strange.
He drinks like things, you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it's like,
Keep going. Keep moving, people. Keep moving. Okay. She's moving on this way. Might as well.
Present. Right to see that
Stop.
with ghoulish delight.
Last time I came in here, there was a guy just standing here. We didn't know if it was real or fake. Ghost.
Our tour begins here in the mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room. A way out! Of course, there's always my way.
It's a Vizsla. That's the kind of dog I have. Isn't she cute? That's my baby.
Oh yes, and no flash pictures. Rightly sensitive. Right.
walking up the stairs.
Every room has wall to wall. And hot and cold, running chills.
Portraits. Spooky girl watching us. My dream. Oh, that door's completely out? Ringing a bell.
You can see the instruments better.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat. Call in the spirits,
Wherever that.
Rap on a table.
Oh no.
Time to respond.
What?
Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Oh.
Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with
Your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies. Toads in a pond. Yay! Oh, that's so cool. There's the brothers dueling. Wow, that's cool. Oh, there they go.
If you desire to join us, make final arrangements now.
Oh, I don't know if the wall is functioning. That was the Tabin Rep and Tabin wall. Guess not today. What does it say? Make a silly face. Sing like, let it go. Oh yeah, I like that one.
It's a little kid.
That's cute. Future cast members.
So cute.
Hi Pooh. Hi Pooh. Aw. And Tigger. Hi Tigger. Hi.
That's Kevin's favorite.
Oh.
Circus. Y'all.
We're gonna go into Storybrooke Circus. Big Top Souvenirs. Ooh, we can get goodies in here too, like yummies. We don't have to go to confectionery. Okay, I'm more interested in these right here, the Rescue Rangers.
Look at the ears.
Let me look
Those
at
are
this.
super cute.
So cute. Ah, you can see
I wish Oliver didn't look so goofy.
the back. You can see the hot air balloon. I used to watch this cartoon when I was a kid.
I never used to watch it.
I did all the time.
Did you?
It was my
Were you
favorite.
rescued at your little bit?
Cute. It's not as cute. Oh, nice. That's a cute one.
It reminds me of my cat.
I love how it just looks like a big old circus tent in here. It's so cool.
It looks like the freaking Rubby and a mule.
Whee! Oh, someone lost Mickey ears. Oh, God. That cracked my back. There were so many back there. Okay, we just got off of Barnstormer because it's just a quick ride. It's so cute. And then we noticed on the ride all the hats. Look at 1, 2. I know there was one on the track. Yeah. Cast members walk out. Oh, this is where hats go to die.
Yeah, it's like in there. I think. What, from this angle maybe? Can you see it? Oh, yeah, you can see it from like right here. You can see like the red over there. Oh, there's some ears over there too.
There was ears on the track.
Right there. There's
Oh yeah. There's lots of ears. She says to take your hat off and your sunglasses. So we just got on the railroad. We're over by Storybrooke Circus. So we're just gonna, instead of walking out of the park, we're gonna take the railroad out and then we're gonna hit up the confectionery and get some sweets. So is this your first time on the train, you said?
Yeah.
Like ever?
Well, I don't know.
Maybe when you were younger?
Maybe when I was like 3 or 4, but I don't remember.
Oh no, you wouldn't.
Yeah, no, I think I was free though. I think
Looks
I
like
remember,
we're on
I remember
our
a
way.
picture.
And I'm
like,
so glad to have you with us.
Like this type of
Next leg of
background.
our journey
So it
takes
might
us
have
to
been.
Main
Do you want to
Street,
go all the way
USA.
around then?
We'll head
We
for
can go all the way
Frontier
around
after
because
that.
they go
Stay
through the
seated.
section like where there's the
Keep your
Native
hands
Americans and all that.
legs
That's
inside
back
the
there.
train at all
Yeah, we'll
times.
go all the way
Go, we'll go all the way
Please
around.
keep an eye on your. That's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. Once you hear it, right?
Right.
Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle.
People mover. This used to be open, like these curtains were open, and there were like, I think it was a beauty shop for like the people mover. You know how they show like there's a beauty shop in there? I think that was displaying the like the women in the chairs but I can't remember because it was so long ago. But those curtains used to be open.
You are all clear to exit. Please watch your head and step. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
Oh, they're hanging out down there. Monorails come, monorails go.
My hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. Then would anything is possible. Hey, listen, we're almost there. We've reached Frontierland
I know.
Station, everyone.
They still have the
Sit
original
tight
audio.
and hold those horses until we've come to a complete stop.
And then where you can
If you're
see inside, they have it all
disappointed,
blocked
please carry your
off.
strollers all the way off the platform
Yeah,
before
see.
unfolding. That'll make room for any new bubblegums.
I was expecting to hear new audio because
Arms, feet, and legs safely inside the train.
It is
And
sad.
as always,
That's
keep
why
an eye
I
on your
came
wheels.
to film everything
Para su
before it
seguridad,
shut down.
permanezca sentado
You're
y
fine.
mantenga las manos, brazos,
I know.
pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide.
Oh,
I never saw the board.
I didn't see any of that on the ride.
Remember at Epcot when we used to have all the like silly little
Love it.
places we could go and do stuff. At one point you can make paper with like show you how like the wood and stuff and the fighters and
All passengers, please remain seated.
what time is it?
It's
7.
So I guess
7:22.
Let's come over here and say hello to Roy. Posing with Minnie. Oh, she's so cute. You can see where people touch him the most. His shoes.
Girl tattoo.
I noticed that. The worms.
like make a set with like
So pretty.
Oh my god, Epcot.
allegedly. And then
Paid, but it's so expensive.
I guess we made a Haunted Mansion one. I don't get why they don't do like I'm just saying. They should do like the attractions for each attraction.
It smells so good in here.
Oh, they're $11.
Oh, okay. 11. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at all the Mickey heads and the pumpkins up here are all glowing. Yeah. I don't know, mayor's lady. The mayor's mistress.
I would think so, right?
Oh, they're so cute.
They're really cute. That one's like the little parade.
Oh, I like the colors. She's got rainbow colors on her. It's cute. Her bouffant.
They is really cute. I love Halloween.
That's a good exit. See you real soon. Cute. The glowing pumpkins.
It was such a fun ride, or like fun time, I mean.
Yeah.